What we have here is, well, what started as an RG400. Usually lives in the shadow of its bigger sister, the 500. I have this one about 7 or 8 years. Thoroughly enjoy having fun on it. It's no longer a 400, but in case the insurance company sees this, I'm not going to say what it is. It's slightly more than that now. 95% of it's the same as the 500. 500 has a different big end bearing. It has an extra roller. There's an extra clutch plate in the 500 compared to the 4. This one's been modified slightly. She is an original, what we know as a JDM Walter Wolf. But compared to the Canadian Walter Wolf, this one comes with the Wolf gauges, the Wolf key, the fuel tank gauge and things like that. Because Wolf stuff is a bit more expensive than the ordinary Gamma stuff, I decided to change the bodywork, and I got the Chinese replica kit. Threw it on, not so worried now if you drop it or you slide down the road on its side. $600 for a kit compared to $600 for a simple panel. So this one's been slightly modified. Front forks, they're the same forks as a standard Gamma, but the anti-dive has been taken off. The forks can have the Racetech fork emulators in them. Upgraded oil, upgraded springs, upgraded wheels. They're SV650 Suzuki rims, and it gives a 17-inch front and a wider rear for them. Biggest reason you can get the 17-inch tire. Makes it a lot different to ride rather than the small 16. Upgraded brakes, they're GSXR 750 from the early 90s. Rear brake was upgraded at the same time to an SV650. So the wheels have been changed, the suspension in the back was upgraded. Obviously different bodywork, different mirrors. The mirrors are off TZR 250 because original Suzuki mirrors are horrendously priced and you don't want to break one. The engine's upgraded from 400 to a bit more. Same carburetors, but they're bored out to 32mm instead of the 28 as standard. Obviously different jetting to accommodate the bigger power output. JL expansion chambers. The actual chambers, the JL chambers, way less than a standard end cap for the original pipes. Yep, all in all, the RG400, I shouldn't be looked at as being in the shadow. They're a complete different bike. So I just love riding it, plain and simple. It's just a joy to ride. And with the pipes and the different filters and stuff, it turns heads, you know, but they're fun to ride.
I don't remember it sounding like that.
No. It was, I think maybe the few extra cc's sort of improves the sound a lot.